Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal come from behind to come beat West Ham 3-1. So if you watch that match, go to say the match day one kind because Arsenal were very unlucky in the first half. Arsenal play heaven and earth. They try to prepare West Ham defense. West Ham the defense. Each for the first 3-4 minutes, West Ham felt come outside and say they won't play attack me, attack you, end to end stuff. But at the end of the day, they can't go defend. So for the first half, William Saliba can't do mistake, can't tackle. I think it was Jared Bowen. They can't give them penalty with Ben Rama can't play. Plan through the middle, Ramsey fly come out. It can't be 1-0. Arsenal play. Arsenal can't get something look like their own penalty. But referee no can't blow him. Referee first blow him, can't go check VAR, can't cancel him. Say it's not a penalty. So the first half can't end 0-1 to Arsenal. Second half, but Arsenal not to waste time for 52 minutes, 53 minutes. Odegaard give Saka pass, Saka bust net. Before you know, 1-1. Martinelli said wipe you on within the space of 5 minutes. It can't be 2-1. Then they can't give Nketiah a tantalizing pass. So Baba just turn Keha. After he turn Keha finish, he bomb him, enter. It can't be 3-1 and the match ended. What a fantastic game. I was very happy with the way the boys they play because we needed to show people say we know they play. We say even though the Jesus know they will still continue the tradition of Arsenal to win, and Arsenal can make 10 straight wins at the Emirates to show say we mean business. No point can play. So next match, Brighton, and then we'll go there for our sites now. So we'll continue with the show and talk about the matters arising after the match. After the match, so Michael Owen himself can come and secondly talk say Arsenal are the real deal. Like the way they played, saying enjoy everything what they do on the night. They did everything well. They pepper West Ham and saying they tip them for the title because instead of not talking in the past, say this Arsenal side, say they will go a long way and they can win this title. So they just come outside the Dolphin cap for us and say, come on man, they are the favorites, they are contenders, they are going to win the title. They support them. You know, just see how Man City itself will play against Leeds. I think they're playing today. We'll see what they will bring to the table. And don't forget that Newcastle also won their match against Everton. Yesterday, I think they won 3-0. I was Everton, Leicester. They win 3-0, you get. So we done this 7 points ahead of Newcastle to one outstanding match for their head. Then because we did that kind of ahead, then Newcastle did second place. Imagine Newcastle did second place for the table. Oh, money good though. If you get money, go buy some kind of players, so go take you places. Money good, I bet. So right from that, so CBS Sports, when they call Golazo, don't come outside and let us know say Vlahovic, they very unhappy for Juventus, and they enjoy game time with Massimiliano Allegri. So the guy is looking at say he won't come out for that Juventus by January. So more they look whether we will buy and come out for Juventus hands to get everything that is January. More they see. Even though some people talk say Moko don't really sign the guy because they support really like Arsenal. He snubbed us, wanted to sign him and wanted to join Juventus. So why should we be going for him again? Well, forgive and forget. We'll see how it will be. The guy if he join us, we still play well. We'll just watch. So away from all the brouhaha what happened yesterday, so many people before the match were criticizing Eddie Nketiah, say he was not good enough, he he start for Arsenal, he cover for Gabriel Jesus. So he got one report where I see for Sportscader. Sportscader na one reputable media house. You get there like an online a digital print media that they do. So they can't put their headline. I saw the headline and I fell in love with it. Say I think it's right time for the fans to apologize to Eddie Nketiah, all his critics. So make una apologize to the guy because the guy don't turn everything around. He make people eat their words, people with they against them. And when you check that match, even when they come to interview Eddie Nketiah, when they ask him say, now we say you don't replace Gabriel Jesus, how do you see the game going for? The guy comes up and say, you know they here to replace Gabriel Jesus. I'm here to play at the best of my ability and be the best version of myself. You get the guy talk plenty. You get saying they enjoy all the football, and at the same time he was not praying for Gabriel Jesus to recover and come and join the team because himself no say many people no want make him replace Gabriel Jesus. In fact, he cannot even replace Gabriel Jesus because they are two different type of players. You get the team where Nketiah they bring to the table, they different from what team Gabriel Jesus they bring to the table. And one fact you cannot rule away from Eddie Nketiah is the fact that he's a very prolific striker. Imagine the statistics where the guy they give us now: 11 goals in 11 starts in the Emirates Stadium. Come on, easy. And at the first start when they start for the season now, don't bust one net. Who knows, if we give him a run, make him play, pending when we sign another striker, if we see, you get, go they manage this one and give him all the support. That's what I'm saying yesterday, because yesterday's full-time analysis show and the halftime analysis show almost now two sides of different coin. When they lose 1-0 for the halftime, a lot of people said so many damaging things about Nketiah. Again, they said a lot, making go sleep for. The show still there for our Facebook and our YouTube page. You can just go that halftime analysis, read through the comments. You will weep. For what Arsenal fans, they tell this boy at the end of the day, for full time, the guy can't score now. Don't make them eat that words. Even Babasato was saying something like, make a note to the para, make a note vex, saying that opinion. People are entitled to say their opinion. But you get what I want to talk now. Just remember what one of our professors for school, they tell us, say, you see, this thing they call opinion. A lot of people hide under opinion to say some kind of things where they're untrue or maybe half truth. You get, you can't tell me that this red that I'm wearing is blue and say it's your opinion and you want me to take it hook, line and sinker. No, I can't do that. So what did I talk? We say you are not entitled to your opinion, you are entitled to an informed opinion. That's what my professor always say. Get, so that's why I go say most of people say something, I just debate them, because we are here to debate things. Get, whatever I tell you, also people they debate my own comments and my own opinion, but the comment section most times I'll can't engage them. I'll say, oh, okay. Sometimes at the end of the day I may go do wrong. I'll say, oh, okay, I know something that no yawan, I'm not in this stuff. So that's what it just be. So let's move on to the next story. A familiar setting. So after the match, they come ask Arteta about Mudryk, where the guy they watched the match. And for those who don't know, Mudryk was watching the Arsenal versus West Ham match. He shot in screenshot time for in tablets when to watch him. He can't post time for an Instagram story. So they come ask Arteta, say, I take see this Mudryk now. We say when I won't buy him, when I come the guy can watch you now because he like to watch you now. But I say, well, say you know, say that yesterday many leagues no play, so we are like the only ones who they play at that particular time. So many people all over the world, we won't watch football, they're going to watch us, and we give them an amazing performance. You can even reference Arsene Wenger, so if we come for Arsenal, come watch match since 2018 when not come out never near Arsenal, the Emirates Stadium. So Arsene Wenger was there, we watched the match, so as the knackers, I can see how we self we equalize, come make the match 3-1. Like Arteta was very proud that we even gave Wenger an amazing performance. In short, at the point in time, the fans call it saying there is only one Arsene Wenger. There is only one Arsene Wenger, to show tribute to our legendary coach. We did a lot of miraculous things at Arsenal. So at the end of the day, Arteta is happy, I'm happy, and I know you too, the fans, you are happy, and Nketiah is elated. So all the boys are very, very happy. In fact, Odegaard at one point come as I call the talk, say the reason we make them come fight back, make sure see them beat this West Ham side. Now to show everybody say they deserve where they did. We are not here by fluke. We play through hard work, great sweat, the blood, everything we don't put for this job, and that is why we made sure we win. In fact, what a performance! I don't shout go, my voice nearly cracks. It was an amazing night. Like I slept like a baby. So for those who know they are aware, so Liverpool don't sign Cody Gakpo from PSV. You guys, when others the reason say, I think we want to sign Cody Gakpo, more sign Cody Gakpo. Liverpool just go there, bust everywhere with money, carry the guy. So it is what it is. So all those kind of Arsenal, Manchester United and Wolves, all the people they really say, okay, maybe we will sign this player. It is unfortunate for them. We cannot sign him again. So Liverpool don't get the player. And you're gonna club self come outside from media settings for the talk. So what did they do last season where they buy Luis Diaz from Porto, and the guy turned around their fortunes, played very, very well for the second stanza of the league. So they want to replicate that same thing. They were looking for a player that will give them the same thing Luis Diaz gave them last season. So they can identify Cody Gakpo, say this guy is going to do it, and they don't sign him. So it's the second stanza of the league. Oh my god, they're very, very interesting, because Arsenal said they eye Mudryk, Chelsea they eye their own, they eye Joao Felix now. Chelsea now be the front runners for Joao Felix now. The Liverpool don't collect Cody Gakpo and never know who Manchester United will go collect. So this second stanza of the league, you go mad gone. So for those who know they are aware, also Gabriel Jesus watch the match from the stands, because where I see him, I don't think saying for where the team day, 9 day, because they with some kind of fans, I just see him wear hood, because they watch the match. I was very, very happy. At least they see the team they do well as in no day, or opposed to what many people they feel say maybe as Gabriel Jesus know they say we go snide, all those kind of Glenn Johnson where they come outside the talk say I see West Ham beating Arsenal again. So at least we self they perform very well and we are playing very well. Like if you hear my voice, you will see the enthusiasm, you see the excitement. You know say I did very, very happy. Like our boys made us proud yesterday against all odds. Because when we lose 1-0, I was like, hey God, should we equalize like this? Should we win like this? And before you know, back, 3 goals in the space of like 15 minutes. No time. So from what we hear from our monitoring spirits, let us know say Arsenal don't table an official bid for Mudryk. London Evening Standard, now they let me know this one. Say Arsenal tabled £55 million deal. Although Shakhtar Donetsk don't reject the deal, from what I'm hearing again now, the Shakhtar don't reject them. So Arsenal is supposed to go, maybe Arsenal £55 million, maybe we'll give them £60 million with some add-ons and sell-ons. So once we give them all these things, everything, if he elevates the deal up to like maybe £75-80 million, and at the end of the day, they will decide whether they want to sell or they want to keep. In short, for me, I don't think they have a choice not to sell, because the player don't make him publicly known. Say, I want to join Arsenal. Look at all the things he's doing. Again, he no care again. Say, I'm contracted to Shakhtar Donetsk. I just want to join Arsenal. In short, in the desperate to leave, because now if you say the ovation is loudest, it is the best time for him to swap ship from the Shakhtar Donetsk camp to the Emirates Stadium. So we'll just see how this deal will go, because I believe before January 9, when they're making a report to Antalya camp for Ukraine, I believe he's going to come and join Arsenal no time. Alright, I'm monitoring spiritual they call Sacha Tovioleri. Don't come outside and let us know, say Arsenal and Yuri Tillemans, they in negotiations to get over a move in January. Don't forget that Yuri Tillemans don't sign contracts like terms, personal terms with Arsenal in the past. So they say they negotiate now, because Arsenal, they look say they won't bring this guy for this January, because they don't want to waste time, because another club if he come now, boss money, like within Liverpool do the Gakpo now. If he come here, bust every old money, the guy will go join them. So we don't want to take chances with this player. So we will just watch how everything they go. If they sign him, I don't think it will be a bad addition, because we are seeing the Champions League in our sides. We are seeing the league title in our sides. So we have to take advantage of everything around us. And even yesterday, we make history, we made landmark history for GFL TV, because we had over 500 live viewers watching the show when we are doing the full-time analysis, and I was very, very proud. Like, we've never had such a huge, gigantic audience before again. So I thank everybody who supports our show, and as they make it entertaining for you guys, and they support us, man, and don't forget to subscribe so that our show will get a huge reach. And if you're watching us on Facebook, make sure you follow us so that we can continue to grow. And as you do so, may God bless you guys. Even Declan Rice don't come outside the talk, say Arsenal are 100% title challengers. In fact, Declan Rice is going to support Arsenal all the way. Say Arsenal will win this title, because what Arsenal did yesterday night was far from remarkable. In fact, it was very, very incredible, because to come from 1-0 behind with a staunch defense of the West Ham side, playing 10 man behind the ball, and we had young, talented, potential world-class players in the likes of Martinelli, Saka, and the rest. Come on, man. So we just come from 1-0 down to make it 3-1. So Baba don't scamp everything. When the evaluator can say, in short, these guys 100% they will win the league. In short, they are competing for Man City. Maybe they no grip for Man City. They make sure say they win the league. And I love watching Declan Rice say the talk. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, just check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.